it's Alexis
Raven.
and together we're Craftcado. So today we are going to be showing you how to make these little washi tape like wall
Decorations.
decor. Yeah. So this is what it looks like in the end. What you're going to need for this is
Scissors.
washi tape.
And these little wooden things.
Yeah, you can get these at Michael's for like really only cents.
Yeah.
So let's just get started.
Yeah.
So, let's dump out all the washi tapes.
Okay. There's so many
What we're
to
gonna
choose
do
from.
is we're gonna just wrap it around the wood thing.
The wooden thing.
I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna start
some
with the
ice cream.
sprinkles.
I'm starting with ice cream.
And sprinkles.
Oh, I can't. Oh, I was trying to get from the other side. Oh, and Jaime isn't here because
She's away today.
yeah. She was busy. And today is the last day of school, so we're happy.
Okay.
And it doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to cut it after.
Yeah.
And you can just put it like randomly. It doesn't have to be in a row.
Where's that?
And you want to get both sides. You can put as many designs as you want. This is mine so far. Then I'm gonna do some donuts.
I like the donut ones too.
I like this one and this one. I love ice cream. We got these washi tapes and the wooden things at Michael's.
Yes. Okay.
You guys can skip through this part if you want. It might take a while.
Yeah.
Now I'm doing these fast foods, junk food. And there's soda, pizza, burgers, hot dogs, and like chocolate chips, I think.
Oh my gosh, look at the back of hers. And then look at the front.
Ooh, I like yours because it's all in a row. Mine's just scattered.
Yeah. Yeah, it's mine. I'm using this cupcake tape.
And then I'm going to do the sprinkles. And these look really cute in the end.
Yeah.
I'm going to put them on our wall. Well,
Yeah.
You can keep yours, but I'm going to put mine on the wall.
Where's the
I'm gonna
donut
do
one?
The donut?
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to do the scales. These ones didn't come in the 8-pack, but Raven just found some.
So why not use them? Okay. I did the heart, but at the very bottom, there's just a little.
Are you going to do the
tiny.
back side?
Yeah. But it's very annoying because it's just very annoying.
I don't have any that have words on, so I'm going to do these.
I have one. Some words. But it's better to leave your stuff like dangling out so it's easier to cut.
Yeah.
I accidentally folded my first two, so now it's going to be harder to take it out and stuff. But okay, I'm going to cut mine.
I'm going to end with the popsicles.
Yeah, we're just playing some music.
Yeah. Okay. I'm done, so I'm gonna. Oh wait, do you want to do the back side before you cut?
I'm gonna like do this part first.
Okay.
I don't know.
So here's mine. That's a finished product. No, I'm just kidding. We need to cut them now. So you're just gonna like go along the edge.
And if you wanted to, you could put some Mod Podge over top of this so that the tape doesn't like come off over time.
Want it to be shiny?
Yeah, and we can do that. So yeah.
We have Mod Podge.
Yeah.
Or Mod.
Yeah. I just kind of forget where I put it, but it's somewhere around here. In our next video, we might do the Mod Podge. But for this video, I think we're just going to do the washi tape. Sorry. Bumped you. Wait, can I see yours? Oh.
It's a mess right now.
This is mine.
Oh, I like it. Sorry, this part is kind of boring. You probably already skipped, but
okay. So this is mine so far, and I might do the back part. I'm not sure yet. I think I might do Mod Podge. I'll go and try and find the Mod Podge because I don't really know where it is. So
it won't be dry in time though. And we're also in a different setup today.
yay. Oh, I found the Mod Podge. It's here. Where's the paintbrushes?
Here's the dolphin. Just put that here.
Where's the paintbrushes? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna do Mod Podge in our next video because can't find the paintbrushes. So yeah, this is how mine looks. This is the dolphin one, and Alexis will show you hers.
This is mine so far.
Okay, so I am going to get some surprise blind bags for us to open.
In this video,
Yes.
she'll be right back. These do take a while to cut. We're not going to make them perfect because that will take a long time. But we're just gonna like kind of do the outline. This one I was like, I went over it to make the lines smooth. And this is Raven's.
Okay, so we're actually going to open these in our next video.
But here's a sneak peek.
Oh, that one. Okay. For now, now I'm just gonna show you the slime that's in here. I just opened the bag. This is pink slime and it dried out, so it's like crusty on the ends. Okay. So after Alexis is done, I think we're gonna move on to our next video.
Wait, are you just gonna do one side?
Yeah.
Okay. And you can hang these on your wall or something.
Can you pass me that container? Thank you.
And if anyone from our school is watching this, we want to give a shout out to the talent show today. It was really good.
Today's our last day of school, so yay.
Comment down below what you guys are doing for your summer.
I'm gonna help Alexis clean this up.
Okay, thanks.
Oh.
I think we should just end the video now since like most of it is done.
Okay.
But here's what mine look like. The front and the back.
And here's mine. And here's dolphin.
So make sure you like this vid, subscribe,
And comment.
and turn on post notifications.
Yeah. Comment
Thanks
if you
for
want to see
watching.
anything else in our next
Yeah, comment
video.
down some video ideas.
Okay, bye.
Bye guys, thanks for watching.